Hello again. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to perform the deauthentication attack to disconnect all the clients from any network. So first of all, let's run the AeroDumpNG to discover the networks around us. And for sure, our wireless adapter should be working under the monitor mode. I will press Ctrl C here. So let's say I would like to do a deauthentication attack for this network, which is my network here. To perform the deauthentication attack, we will use AirPlay-NG, and to use that, let me show you the options related to this tool. AirPlay-NG --help or --help. So here, so the usage of this tool will be like that: AirPlay-NG, options, then the interface. Let's split this terminal vertically just to apply the things we need. First of all, we will write AirPlay-NG, then we will skip filter options, we will not use it now. We will go to replay options. So after writing AirPlay-NG, we will choose which BSS ID we are going to attack, which MAC address. So I'm going to put A here, -A, which means BSS ID, and in my case I want to attack this one. Ctrl-Shift-C to copy, Ctrl-Shift-V to paste. Then I want to choose the count. So if I went down here to choose the attack, I want to do the attack deauthentication attack. See here, I have to write deauth and the count. So let's write deauth. Let's say I want to send 1000 packets, and I'll show you now practically what does this mean. Then I have to specify the replay interface, and to see that, just I need to write wconfig, and this is WLAN 0 mon. In your case, maybe only WLAN 0. So let me write here WLAN 0 mon, enter. Sorry, it's WLAN 0 mon. So before performing this, I'll stop it now. Just I'll open YouTube here. So let's write anything. So this video here is working fine. And if I go back to the Kali Linux and run the attack again, we can see what will happen now. And we can see here it will show connected, but I will not be able to open any website as long as this is running. So let's say I want to open Google. So this is just here rounding again and again. If I want to open Bing, this what will happen for all connected clients to this network. They will not be able to get the internet as long as you are running this attack. So once I stop it, everything will work fine here after some time. And everything will become normal. So this is the attack where you can disconnect any user from any target client